great China, in the northern part of the country, there lived a girl named Mulan, a legendary heroine of the land. Mulan, a good descendant of her clan. Mulan, a warrior disguised as a man. Mulan has saved her country from the Huns. Mulan, 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 brought honor to her motherland. Listen to the story of Mulan, deep-rooted in people's mind, a ballad popular far and wide. Her bravery inspired all with pride. Mulan, Mulan, a descendant of her clan. One day in front of the doorway, Mulan witnessed so much display. The weeping child turned into sighs as her heart broke as days gone by. The emperor goes just to stay. Using far was told to worry. Fierce horse held all to pray. Each answered to call of duty. Little posters hanged on each day. Her father's name was on display. He was sold to save his country. She took his place with dignity. Listen to the story of Mulan, deep-rooted in people's mind, a ballad popular far and wide. Her bravery inspired all with pride. Mulan, Mulan, a warrior disguised as a man. She had no brother as eldest, but she had one as the youngest. Her father had no grown-up son. She took the role like no one can. A martial arts taught the best. Her strength to advance from the rest. She asked for family's blessing to battle enemies defeat. In the Marquez she bought weapons. Saddle from west, bridle from south, long whip from north. From her abode at dawn she left. Listen to the story of Mulan, deep-rooted in people's mind, a ballad popular far and wide. Her bravery inspired all with pride. Mulan, Mulan, save her country from the Huns. Marched on the yellow river sand and cruised in the Black Mountain. 10,000 miles she rode in war, crossed passes and peaks like flying. She endured all hardships to win, to bring pride for her family, to save her land from invaders, and to live free with no more fear. The scary sound of the rattles, moonlight shone on iron armors. Generals died in 100 fights, soldiers defeated ruthless Huns. Listen to the story of Mulan, deep-rooted in people's mind, a ballad popular far and wide. Her bravery inspired all with pride. Mulan, Mulan, brought her to her motherland. Warriors returned after 10 years. The emperor praised for the triumph. He bestowed Mulan great titles and rewarded her gifts and gold. She accepted troops to escort Mulan home. Her family prepared a feast. She changed her armor to a dress. True Mulan appeared at the door. Surprised comrades saluted her.